Assalamu alaikum students, it's Ahmed here. Today I'll be delivering the very first video lecture of maths of class 4. I hope you are all fine and staying indoors and washing your hands and doing everything you can do to get through this pandemic safely. So today's our assignment is adding fractions. These fractions actually have the same denominator. It's actually my bad. The first one has 30. Actually, its the denominator is 10 too. So we are gonna add these fractions with the same denominators. I'm solving only two exercises here. The rest of the problems on the page number 50 are for your homework assignment. Check it if there is any space on the given book, then solve it on your books, and if there is not any space given on the book, then this work will be solved on your notebooks. Prepare pages accordingly with the heading vacation homework with proper dates and margin lines, and do your work neatly. The first one has a fraction has a denominator of 10. So because 10 they are like fractions, they share the same denominator. So the denominator of the resultant fraction will be 10 also, but as you can see there is 4 and there is 3. The 4 and 3 their sum is equal to 7, so the 4 over 10 plus 3 over 10 is equal to 7 over 10. The next fraction is 9 over 15 plus 3 over 15. The resultant fraction will be 15 over 9 plus 3 makes 12, so 12. So that's how you will be solving like fractions. There will be some addition and some subtraction problems. Make sure the page number 50 is done today before yesterday's video. Thank you.